Alright, today we're going to be replacing the screen on an ASUS X55C. First things first, make sure you remove your battery. That way nothing is powered on. Alright, next we have on the left and the right and the very bottom we have little screw protectors. Take a little flathead or a knife, anything you got handy. Just pop these out. Alright, next take a small little Phillips head. Take these two screws out. Alright. And next comes the scary part. Alright, you're basically just going to pry your fingers between the screen and the protector around the edge. It's going to pop loose, and you're just going to keep going until you have it undone from everywhere. It should lift right out. Alright. Next thing, using the same Phillips, you got two screws, one here, and you got one over here. Alright, now these are a little bit of an angle, so you might kind of push things forward a little bit. Get it in there. These screws are a lot smaller. Alright, and that should just kind of pop right out of the bracket that it's in. Yeah, there we go. Alright. Next, we've got the cord that's attaching to it here. This should peel off the back here. Yep. Alright, so we're going to pop this in here. It's going to be nice and level. It's going to pop right into the back of it. Might hear a little click. Reapply your strips there. Pop this right into the bracket. Get our tape here out of the way. Trying to keep the adhesive protector screen on as long as I can. Alright. I will warn you, these tiny screws are a pain in the butt to get in. Alright, there's that one. Alright. Now I'm going to go ahead and remove my protector screen here. should click it back into place there. Let me just simply snap it back on. Place our other two screws. Replace our screw covers. Apparently like to disappear. Alright, well, there you go. Now you've got brand new screen replaced.